Hi everyone, welcome. This is the Fundamentals of Drawing. My name is Janice Agosto and I will be guiding each of you step by step on how to draw a standard human face. We will only be looking into drawing the face today because the methods and techniques used in drawing a realistic face can easily be applied when drawing the rest of the human figure anatomy. We will be building upon these techniques as we go on throughout the course until you are all eventually able to draw the entire human form. So with that being said, who here has any prior experience with observational drawing? Alright, only a few people, that's totally fine. After all, this course is intended for those who are beginners or who just lack any prior experience with drawing. It's totally fine. But who here remembers taking math classes, right? Yeah, so what can you guys tell me about those classes that you can remember? Okay, long equations is one thing, yeah, algorithms, formulas. Yeah, it's all tedious stuff, but really these classes do tend to center around applying a specific formula or algorithm in order to achieve the right or correct results. But how does one determine what the correct results are? Like, how do we measure correctness? Okay, it can be done by checking the correlation between the result or answer in relationship to each step of the algorithm given. Basically checking to see if it checks out, if there's a balance or proportion, which is actually the key word here, proportion. See, I'm not just going on and on about math and algorithms for no reason. There is a relationship between all of these fields, a correlation, if you will. So, because observational art, much like any math or science, is basically just studying the relationships between these shapes and spaces and figures. It's all approximate, it's all based on methods, techniques, algorithms, and overall, relative scales. So with that being said, given the proper tools, such as a pencil, an eraser, and this blank sheet of paper, by the end of this lesson you should all be able to draw a standard human face that is realistic in proportion and in scaling relative to the algorithm given here in this textbook, The Fundamentals of Drawing. Alright, so who's excited to get started with drawing? You guys ready to start? Alright, let's begin.